Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to use Google Antigravity with Claude Sonnet 4.6. So in my previous videos I have already showed you how to install Google Antigravity, then how to use it, how to use their Google Gemini 3.1 Pro versions, and I have really developed an entire application with just Vive coding. Now let's see Claude Sonnet 4.6. So let's fire up our Google Antigravity first. So this is what we built on my previous videos. Let's open a new folder, and this time let's create a rock paper scissors game only, but using Claude Sonnet 4.6. So select this folder. I trust the authors. So our project is rightly open. So let's switch to our model to Claude Sonnet 4.6 and let's give a prompt. So create a professional rock, paper, scissors game using HTML, CSS and JS. It will be player versus computer, then show winner. And finally can make the UI attractive. That's it pretty much. Just click on this arrow and it's going to start generating. So here you can see it has already generated index.html. Click on accept and you can see it has also created a style.css file. So these are all the contents of style.css. You can accept all the changes. Now it is writing JavaScript game logic, and you can see that it has rightly generated app.js file as well. So you can accept all the changes. Now it is opening that game on browser. Your Chrome, you can click and it has opened that URL on browser. You can see it has already built the game and now it is verifying it. Everything happening automatically. You are not writing a single line of code. Even testing also it is performing. It is even taking a screenshot and then it's going to send that to Claude Sonnet 4.6 and it's going to verify. It is even clicking the rock button to start a round. Everything is happening automatically. So you can see it has found some error while clicking rock button. So now it is extracting that DOM element and it's going to make that fix. Now it is preparing that paper button click. Next it's going to try with the scissor button click as well. And subsequently it's going to take all the screenshots and going to verify it. So nothing you need to do, you just chill and relax. So you can see it is really taking good amount of time, but it is really doing its job properly. You can see this rock button was highlighted. So it is actually clicking by taking control over that DOM element. So it's going to take some time. And there you go. You can see that finally it is done. So rock paper scissors game is ready. So let's verify the game now. So right click on any of the file and click on reveal in file explorer. It's going to open that project over here. So let's double click on index.html. It's going to open that project on our browser. So you can see our rock paper scissors game. So here we have all these three options. Already you can see the UI is really beautiful, isn't it? So let's click on rock. You can see it's a draw, as computer also chooses rock. So let's select paper this time, and again it's a draw as both chooses paper. So let's choose rock again, and this time computer won because computer chooses paper. Choose rock again computer won. Let's choose paper. I'm just keep on losing. So again computer won. Again I selected paper. It's a draw. Let's select scissor. Okay, I lost again. I need to win at least one. Again it's a draw. Yeah, finally I got just a point. But anyway, you understood the point, right? So this game is really working perfectly fine. You can see it is also storing the match history properly over here. So cute, isn't it? And if I compare this UI with the previous game that we have created on this rock paper scissors using Gemini, so if I open that, if you see compared to this, I would any day take this UI. What do you think? So this game I have prepared using Google Gemini. Though I am winning over here, but I'll prefer UI wise this rock paper scissors game much better. What do you think? Let me know that on our comment section. So that is basically all about this video. Please do check out my other videos or Comet browser or how to use Olama for running large language model locally on your system like Qwen 3 or DeepSeek, all that. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Geeky Script and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.